Hi there, welcome to Use and DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're going to unbox this, the Sennses Pro from Robbox. Okay, so we've been sent this awesome device from the company called Robbox, not sure how you say that, and it's the Sennses Pro, which is a smart precision measuring device. So it's an all-in-one tool for measuring, leveling, and detecting things behind walls. So really excited about this product, looks really, really cool. So in this video, we're going to review it. So I'm going to do an unboxing, see what you get down here on the desk, see what you get included in the box, and then we're going to try it out in real life and see how we can actually use this device. So this comes with everything you need for basic kind of, the basic functionality or the core functionality of this device. There are added attachments you can get to this. There's a 360 laser level and length extensions, the different sizes there you can get, it says it on the box. But this is just the core device, the Sennses Pro, which has got everything you need really from a DIY perspective, I would have thought, and beyond. But if you wanted to further the capability, there are attachments basically. So just to jump through some of the top features, you've got the fast bilateral laser measuring system, and it's got things like find center of a room, zeroing, and an area calculation, and more in there. It's high speed precision digital leveling with 2 axis capabilities. Wall detection with stud sense technology, so obviously it can detect things behind your wall, and it's got a built-in rechargeable battery. Also on there's a dimmable LED flashlight. It's kind of an all-in-one tool that you can use for multiple purposes. So this box hopefully contains, which it says here, the actual device, the Sennses Pro device, and a 1 meter USB-C charging cable. So let's jump inside the box. Well, not jump inside the box, but let's open the box and see what's inside, and then we can get using it. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing down on the desk using the camera up here. So let's have a look inside. So it comes with a little sticker label there, which I've removed, and there's the device. So first of all, let's grab it and see what it feels like. Okay, so it's an all metal casing, what it feels like. So yeah, all metal with some screws on the back where you can obviously remove it if required. And that, in terms of the device, is looking really nice. Full metal body, so hopefully that will be quite damage resistant, so it could get knocked and wouldn't get damaged too easily. So you got the device, and the other thing in the box is that 1 meter cable that they mentioned, which is super flexible, and I've never seen a cable like that actually before. So yeah, so that's in the box. You've also got a quick start guide in here, which is very much a quick start guide. It gives you an overview of the device, what it is, and then it does say there for a comprehensive user manual to scan the QR code, which I will do in a moment, and we will be using the accompanying Android application, which it advises there is on the box. So physically on the device, if we have a look down here, we've got some basic 1 to 5 inch measurement across the top. So you could hold that against a surface and measure it very quickly using the built-in thing there. And then on the other side, you've also got the same but in centimeters. So you've got some physical measuring capability on there if you quickly just need to hold it up against a wall or a surface and just be able to measure it. So the device itself has come with a little bit of a sticky sticker on the screen there, and that shows off the screen there. So we're going to power this up. I'll hold it down here and power it up for the first time. And you can see you've got that kind of round touchscreen interface there, where we've got level, measure, stud finder, and laser level. You can see I've got a battery indicator at the top, the Bluetooth symbol there, and this is an excellent screen. I didn't know what it was going to be like, but in terms of the touchscreen and the sensitivity, really, really good. So you can flip between those different things there. We've got a flashlight just to show that working. So that's a very bright flashlight, but you've also got the adjustment there, so you can slide that down and adjust the actual light itself. So we'll turn that back off. Sound, so obviously if you want it to make sound or not, I think that's currently off. Level, stud finder, measure, and laser level. There's a laser level there, but obviously I don't have the attachment for the 360 laser level. So I assume if you did have that, you would connect it and it would enable that feature on the screen there. So yeah, so far so good. As I say, the screen sensitivity, the touchscreen capability feels really good, looks really good. Nice clear screen, high resolution screen by the looks of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this, which has got the USB port there on it. So I'm going to charge this up to full charge, and then we're going to try it out and see what we can do with the level, the measuring, and the stud finder. So I'll pop it on charge, and I'll be back soon to give this a go. Okay, everything's set up now with the Sennses Pro, ready to use. So what we're going to do is use it on a couple of projects. So I've got some measuring to do and some leveling to do inside in the ensuite bathroom. We're also going to use it to measure up for a new project in a bedroom renovation. So measuring a couple of walls up for some wardrobes and for a new desk. This will come in really handy when trying to do that. Just first impressions though about the device, what I'm thinking so far, really great. The actual touchscreen is really responsive, so really good touchscreen built into there. Some devices that you buy with touchscreens can be terrible in terms of lagginess and the actual responsiveness, but this is really good, really responsive, even for the small bits where you've got the laser to turn on and off. Secondly, just the multifunction, obviously all the stuff going on in here, what you can actually do with it, with the level, the measure, the stud finder, the flashlight, even things like that, really good. So if you're in a small space and you need a flashlight, you can turn that up and down, so that's really impressive. Obviously we don't have it with this device at the moment, but you can get accessories to make this even more versatile with measuring and leveling. So overall, so far so good. Looking forward to using this on a couple of projects now. Nice and handy. It would be good as well. They may do a case. Obviously I didn't get a case with mine, but it would be good if there was a case. I'm pretty sure this is really durable in terms of the material it's made out of. It still feels like a really high-end valuable piece of kit, and you do have this touch screen on there as well. So it's not something maybe you'd want to chuck inside a work bag perhaps, maybe scuffs and scratches. I think it'd probably take the scuffs and scratches. I was just thinking with the actual laser elements in there, you don't want to get things damaged, certainly not with a touchscreen. So really good, really impressed with the design of it so far. The multifunction elements to it with the ruler built on, just remembered that as well. It's got the ruler, the centimetre ruler and the inch ruler built onto the top and bottom of there as well. So yeah, I'll stop waffling, let's go use it, let's give it a go, and then we'll report back in terms of its functionality and overall what we're thinking. Okay, so in the bathroom we're installing this mirror. So it's a Stockholm mirror from IKEA. It's got the mounting points here and here. So in that room, in the ensuite there, I need to find the centre of the room, I need to find a level, and we can use the centre of the space, sorry, it's going in. So we can use the tool to get a level, mark out the actual middle, and we can measure, obviously using the measurements of the actual mirror itself, exactly where we need to put the holes. So this is perfect for this in there. So we'll jump inside the ensuite now and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so it's this wall just back here. So on this wall here, we need to find a centre spot between the edge of that trim there and the edge of that wall there. So what we'll do is I'll mark out on the wall exactly the height of where the actual screws are going, because obviously then I know exactly where the screws are going to go, and then we can get the level across and use this to actually get the centre of that space. And then I know exactly that the mirror is going bang in the middle of that area. What I'll do, just to double check that it's actually the right measurements, I'll use a tape measure just to double check the measurements, then we can see accurately that it's definitely worked. We're all done now with the Robbox Sennses Pro, this first video. This was an unboxing, first impressions, kind of initial review of the device itself. Really smart, really premium product. overall really impressed with it. Build quality is really good. As I mentioned before, I think I've mentioned it a few times now, touchscreen really impressed with. It's really intuitive to use, really simple, it's not complicated. On the screen is what it does. There's not too much built into it to make that confusing. So from a UI and UX perspective, that's impressive too. Mentioned build quality, really good. USB-C compatible for charging. 2 lasers built in for dual laser measurement. Level built into there as well. And as I mentioned previously, you can get further accessories for this to further enhance its capability and usage. That includes extensions for laser leveling and also for 360 leveling too. So they can be added on additional costs, additional features obviously. I think this is probably suitable for multiple types of people, whether you're professional or whether you're just a home DIYer. Really capable device for both of those. Really useful for multiple things, leveling, measuring, stud finding. So overall, really versatile, great product. I think you can tell the people that have designed and made this are people that have got experience in actually using devices or tools for doing measuring and leveling. There's kind of little features built in, just things like the press of the button there just to mark on the wall. Think little bits like that, but are just really useful in terms of functionality built in that actually are needed. There's nothing really gimmicky about it, there's stuff on there that are needed. So overall, really impressed, super smart product. I will be back in the future maybe with some further videos on this. I may get the accessories to obviously extend this to a longer leveler. That's it for now. Really impressed with the product so far, really good. If you like the video, it's been informative, please do give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, but let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about this, any questions about the video, any questions about my house or what the projects I'm doing, drop that in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more tech reviews, product reviews, home DIY projects, giveaways, and much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.